If you want to create rust cleaning videos using AI completely for free and make a shorts channel, then this video is for you. But for that, you've got to watch this video completely. So let's get into it. First, go to the description and open the prompt doc. Now, the first thing you need is this object selection prompt. Select the full prompt, open GPT, paste it, and hit enter. That's going to give you different rusted object ideas. If you don't like them, just say more to get even more ideas. Now you have an idea, but not an image. So go back to the prompt doc, find the image prompt, select it, copy it, paste it into GPT before you hit enter. Pick the rusty object you like. I'm choosing this one, and paste it in. Hit enter and you'll get a professional prompt for an image. Copy it, go to Free Nano Banana or any free image tool. Paste it, hit enter. Don't worry, at the end, I'll share free models for images and videos. Now you've got an image too, but without animation, it's not worth having. So before animation, download the image, go to the prompt doc, grab the video animation prompt, copy it, paste it into GPT. Before hitting enter, paste the image prompt with it. Now you'll get a targeted video animation prompt. Copy it, open Google Flow, add the image, paste the prompt, and after some time, you'll have a rust cleaning video.
Freemium sites to make images are Leonardo, Whisk, Ideogram, Rivi, Grok, Meta, and for videos, Grok, Whisk, Meta, Google Flow, Veer, etc.
If you want to learn how to create POV videos, click the next video.